Wilt Thou Be My Dearie by Robert Burns, who wrote to his friend Alexander Cunningham on March 3rd, 1794. Do you know the much admired old Highland air, the Sutor's Dochter? It is a first-rate favorite of mine, and I've written what I reckon one of my best songs to it. And he enclosed the lyrics. The Sutor's Dochter, that's the shoemaker's daughter. The set I have of the tune was published in 1784 by Niel in his first collection of Strathspey reels. Jeany, say thou lose me, say you love me. Say that you love me, baby. Okay. Wilt thou be my dearie when sorrow wrings thy gentle heart? Wilt thou let me cheer thee by the treasure of my soul? That's the love I bear thee, I swear and vow that only thou shalt ever be my dearie. Only thou, I swear and vow, shalt ever be my dearie. Jeany, say thou lose me, or if thou wilt may be mine, say now thou'lt refuse me, if it winna canna be. Thou for thine may choose me, let me, Jeany, quickly dee, trusting that thou lose me. Jeany, let me quickly dee, trusting that thou lose me. Well, that is a fine song. It's the sort of thing, if you saw it in one of his books and it was given to you as a poem, you go, whatever. But you hear it with the tune. It's just got this formal beauty to it. Please be well. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for listening. Long live Robert Burns.